Hey guys, got a few stuff to unbox today. These three are from Supreme. So let's go ahead and open it up. I got my assistant with me. It's my chunky sire. So let me put you right here. Let's open it. Never know how to open these boxes or these bags. Just rip it out. What we have here, it's the Supreme Cause box logo. This one is in the black L. Thank you, my lovely assistant. Does it come with any sticker packs? Nope. Just two Supreme. Next one. See what we got. No sticker packs? Come on, man. Oh, I think this is that's the next one. Two Supreme stickers again. This one is in the navy, large. Can't really tell from here. Oh, I think you can. Black, navy, both large. Then we have one more. Real quick. Two stickers. I do have one more, but I sent that to my girlfriend's house, so I don't have it right now. I think I got it. She has the green one. And lastly, white Cause. So I do have three. Next up is this box right here. Let's see what we got. Yeah? Okay. 5Y Dunk Low. These are, oh, what the heck? These are the UNCs in the grade school. Got my boys with me, helping me with my unboxings. Thank you, boys. Very nice. Here's the stuff right now. There they are. Excuse me, Sire Jin. Thank you. Put this back in the box just in case we ship it. Sell it and goat. Last one. Yeah. Hello, boys. Sorry, what are you doing? What do you think this is, boy? Oops, sorry, noise. Sorry, what is it? Look, check it out. What is this? What is this? We have this one in the size 6 Nike Dunk High in the vast gray colorway. Man, these shit's bricked. By bricked as in the price went down, down, down. Still a nice shoe though. So this is today's unboxing. Pull this one out again. Ooh, would you say this is? It's not damaged. Got my lovely assistants there. Today's unboxings. Got the white, navy, got the black. Alright guys,